it's too much. What's there left to say? Throw your stones the river. Like me, it drifts away. I would watch you stare. I would watch you stare. Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down.
So, St. Nicholas was in Belgium and he passed by our house. He brought some gift for my 4-year-old. He brought some gift for my 4-year-old. Like this carrot was in this shoe for 3 days now. Look, it looks so ridiculous. Anyways, I'm going to throw it away because St. Nicholas has already come and take the carrot, and this is what she draw. Like this is what she made for St. Nicholas. I'm going to throw it in the trash so she doesn't see it. So this is the second one. So I'm going to throw everything in the trash and make sure that she doesn't see it. And I'm going to arrange all the gifts, like everything he brought for her. I'm going to put it on her desk so that when she comes back from school she will see it. Normally we do it a night before, which is last night, but if she wakes up and see all the gift, she's not going to go to school. She will not go to school, and then maybe we'll end up running late. And then I decided to do it when she is already at school, so when she comes back she has all the time to to open her gift without me disturbing her that we have to go. So that is why I decided to do it now that she is in school. Like when she sees the publicity on TV, she always asks me, "Mama, can you buy this for me?" So you guys know I am the Santa Claus or St. Nicholas, whatever you want to call it. So, and I got her this, and she also like to have her bath with something like this. So I always buy something like this for her bath. So I decided to take one as well because she has a lot of toys. Like there are a lot of toys and teddy bear in this house. Uncle is coming. Uncle is coming. She's so happy.
Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful.
Am I V cadeau for
So
Santa?
beautiful.
Because this dress was brown, he wasted.
Wow.
What is that? It's to
So
do for water. Yeah.
Chocolate.
Am I?
So many gifts.
I'm throwing wishes in the world in hopes that you will keep them for yourself, and know there was a time when we never let go, never let go. Ooh, we never let go.
We can figure
What do you say to Sweater Peter?